Naglakad kami guys kasi over traffic dito sa Hangban. Ito yung aking dalaga. Yan, lahat na naglalakad na yan na gagraduate. Tapos yung mga pauwi na. Tapos susunod. Grabe pahirap yung traffic. Siyempre lang yan mahaba. So, hinintay namin yan hanggang alas 4 na kami narating doon sa venue. Kapag dito rin sila mag-talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness a time-honored tradition, the PCP Pag-alagay.
as we pay tribute to our dear students. You may now be seated.
Better life and future.
Today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take challenges with clear vision and purpose. And to give us the words of welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Charlie I. Galino.
This year, our theme is Unity through Education, a His words resonate deeply, especially at a time when our country and school face both challenges and incredible opportunities. We're here not only to recognize the hard work and perseverance of each of you, but also to acknowledge the values and lessons you have learned throughout your time with us.
Thank you.
Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship with a total of 176.
And to present the candidates for graduation.
Presenting the candidates of graduation for the degree of Bachelor of Science Tourism Management with a total number of 600.
And to present the candidates for graduation for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Please welcome Dr. John Vassie.
Good afternoon, everyone. As the Dean of the College of Hospitality, Tourism, Business Accountancy and Management, I have the distinct honor to present to you the candidates for graduation who have successfully fulfilled all academic requirements prescribed by the curriculum and who have been recommended by the program heads of this college for the conferral of their respective degrees. In recognition of their completion of the prescribed courses of study and their compliance with all academic and institutional requirements. Madam President, I respectfully request for your conferment.
May we request our school president and CEO, Dr. Maria and Vicente, for the acceptance and conferment of degrees.
With the honor vested on me by Resting Allies of the Philippines, Academic Council, and in accordance with the standards set forth by the Commission on Higher Education, with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities pertaining to it. I therefore confer your graduation. My congratulations!
At this juncture, dear graduates, the merit you have been waiting for has finally come. The fruits of your hard work will finally be presented as a symbol of your success.
To officiate the distribution of diploma, may I request our school executive officers together with our school official for the distribution. Ladies and graduates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
May we request the faculty from the Hospitality Management Department.
Once again, may we request all the faculty from Hospitality Management.
Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship with a total of 176.
And to present the candidates for graduation.
Asenas Desiree S. Asigor Julian Lee. Aglilay Marianela L. Aguilon Jasmine.
Distance and job opportunities face affected constituents, especially during the pandemic. Currently, Representative Teves is one of the Deputy Majority Leader under the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez and Majority Leader Manuel Ganipe. As such, he serves as an ex-officio member with voting powers in all regular and special committees as the House of the Representatives. Prior to his election as the Deputy Majority Leader, he was the Vice Chairman of the House Committees on Local Government, Ecology, Food Security.
Magandang hapon, dear graduates. Palakpakan nga muna ang inyong mga sarili. At syempre, palakpakan din ninyo ang inyong mga magulang na kasama ninyo ngayong napakahalagang araw na ito. Ang lahat po ng papuri ibibigay natin sa ating Panginoon, pangalawa sa inyong mga magulang, dahil sila po ang nagtaguyod sa inyo ng maraming taon para po masigurado na ngayong araw na ito ay makakamit ninyo ang inyong pangarap na diploma. Mga magsisipagtapos, mga kawani at kasapi ng faculty ng paaralan, sa pamumuno ni Pangulong Maria M. Vicente, mga magulang, mga ginagalang na panauhin, aking ipinapabatid ang pinakamalugod na pagbati sa inyong lahat sa mahalagang okasyong ito. It is indeed a blessed day as we celebrate the 24th commencement exercises of Westlake College of the Philippines Business Programs.
And now, let's continue the distribution of our diploma. To officiate the distribution of diploma, may I request the faculty from the PSTM. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Bautista St. Henry P. by King Rhea J. P. Loyalty Awardee. Maynes Sheila May A. Becerra Sofia A. Pegaso Anrich Jaceline I. Belen Rossi, Loyalty Award. Lagkin Ira Sofia T. Loyalty Award.
Sarah Shaina C. Leones Jaina R. Riton Christine Joy. Ronyosa Sami E. Esmos Joy E. Loyalty Awardee. Rino Ray Charlotte E. Ricardo Sheila P. Rivera Jenny C. Rivera Jessica T. Rivera Giselle B. Loyalty Award. Rivero Angie E. Roques Maria Isabel C. Loyalty Awardee. Rosero Jennifer S. Loyalty Award.